let's take a look at this. Evaluating expressions. This is pretty easy. All this means is plug stuff in. So what we're going to do here, is an example. First, let's say, what does it say? Evaluate P divided by 4 plus P times Q, this is multiplication, when P equals 8 and Q equals 6. So to evaluate this, all you do is just plug it in. You plug it in. And now, right, Frank? Frank? No, he's not here. So you plug it in. All right, well, I'll plug stuff in. For P, I have 8. So 8, and then I'll write down the rest of the stuff, divided by 4, plus, P was 8, and then it's going to be times, what's Q? Q is 6. Q is 6, so I do 8 times 6. Well, that's not that bad. What's 8 divided by 4? 8 divided by 4 is 2, and then plus, what's 8 times 6? That's 48. 6 times 8 is 48. And add those together, that's 50. Alright, that's the answer. Not so bad. When you're doing these problems, you have to pay attention to the order of operations. That just means PEMDAS. That tells you which order to do things in. First, I divided and multiplied. Remember, let me write down what PEMDAS means. PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses. So you do the parentheses first. Whatever's inside the parentheses, you do whatever it's telling you to do there first. E is for exponents. Then you evaluate the exponents. And then M is for M and D, multiplication and division. That's together. You can do division first or multiplication. That's what I did first here because there were no parentheses, there were no exponents. Multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. Those also can go at the same time. This is from left to right. That's how I do it. Left to right. And same with the other one, addition and subtraction. Those both mean, those you do at the same time. And you do it from left to right. Yeah. Maybe we see one more example. So evaluate 9 plus 11G minus 4H when G is 2 and H is 7. Okay, so we take a look at this. 9 plus 11 times, what did we multiplying? Times G, so that would be times 2. And then minus, menos 4. 4 por 7. 7? I don't know. So that would be in green. I'll do that in green. So, and then you pay attention to order of operations. There are no parentheses. There are no exponents. We do multiplication and division. So here I have multiplication, so I have to do that. And here I have multiplication. You have to pay attention to that negative, though, because it's a negative and a minus sign. So what do we have? We have 22, and the 9 we didn't do anything with. And then we have negative 4 times 7, that's negative 28, or minus 28. It's both negative and minus. And now I do from left to right, addition and subtraction. So 9 plus 22, what is that? That's 31. And then minus 28. 31 minus 28, 3. That's the answer. And that's all she wrote. That's all we have. Look at that. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. That's how long the video is. Evaluating expressions. That's all there is.